Hey everybody, it's Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and something just dawned on me. I don't know that we've introduced ourselves. It's your first time coming to Orlando for a vacation and you have no idea where to start. Should you get a hotel? How many days should you go to a theme park? That's where we come in. We are Orlando Vacation. But like always, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified when these awesome videos pop up. Okay, allow me to introduce Orlando Vacation. Orlando Vacation is exactly what we provide. Orlando Vacations. We have been helping families since 1991, specializing in Orlando and Walt Disney vacation packages as a premier travel agency in Orlando. We get the best deals on Orlando hotels, theme park tickets, and vacation rentals near Disney World. Since opening, we have expanded to also being authorized sellers of Universal Orlando and SeaWorld Orlando tickets. In fact, we provide discount tickets for several attractions in Central Florida, from Legoland to Fun Spot. We are located in Orlando, Florida. This means that all of us are locals. We know the ins and outs of navigating this magical tourist hotspot. We are also a family-run business. We're not trying to be the biggest travel company in the world, but our goal is to be the best. This is why we only provide travel discounts to guests desiring to come to Orlando. Aside from the many tickets we offer, we also have partnerships with several nearby hotels to book rooms for them. These hotels range from Hilton to Holiday Inn. They are typically located within a quick driving distance of all the main theme parks. We can also suggest ones that are very near to your desired park. If you prefer Universal, we have the Wyndham. If you prefer Disney, we have Mystic Dunes. Our job is to make your vacation the best it can be. And get this, we also have vacation homes. These are to rent, just like a hotel, and are not timeshare. These homes are a great choice for those who have larger families who desire the comforts of home while on vacation. This could be a laundry room or a full kitchen, maybe a game room. We have vacation homes that range from 2-bedroom condos to 14-bedroom mansions with bowling alleys, to help with those large family reunions, all of which are located near the theme parks. How great is that? We charge a small deposit of $50 on all hotel reservations, and the remaining balance is due 15 days prior to your arrival. If you need to cancel, as long as you notify us prior to 15 days of your arrival, we will refund $35 of your $50 deposit. For vacation homes, it's a $50 deposit to secure your reservation, and the remaining balance is due 30 days prior to your arrival. If you cancel your reservation prior to the 30 days to your arrival, you'll receive a full refund, excluding the $50 deposit. We want you to have a great experience, and we'll do everything in our power to make sure our guests have a great time. If there are any issues with your stay, please contact us at 1-800-641-4008, and we will do our best to rectify your issue. As a company, we enjoy and respect each other. We are open Monday through Friday for a healthy work balance. However, we are available to be contacted by email if you have issues. You can also contact us using our social media. We also go on outings to not just bond, but experience firsthand the attractions we provide for our guests. Let me introduce you to our CEO, Trey. He has been in this business with his father as a consultant for over 30 years. He is always happy to speak with our guests and help where he can. Our reservationists work in the office and some at home, but all in Orlando. The office is run by a small and dedicated team with backgrounds in theme park management, hospitality, and realty. Most importantly, our VP is Sippy, a true business genius, and a very, very good girl. The other thing we provide is lots of information. Our website has blogs, and all our socials are filled with helpful tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation. We are also very proud of our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, our 4.5-star rating on Google reviews, last but not least, that we are the biggest memory maker in Orlando. Be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com so we can help you make the most of your next Orlando vacation. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.